How to uninstall BlueStacks on your PC Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to completely delete or uninstall BlueStacks on your PC, you have to uninstall the program as well as the services and instances. So for that, you can simply search for the BlueStacks from the search bar. Click on the uninstall button, which will open the installed apps. From here, you have to select on BlueStacks Services, BlueStacks Instances and BlueStacks app. Click on the three dots right beside it and click on Uninstall. This will then ask for permission. Make sure to click on Yes. After that, you have to select a reason for uninstall and then simply tap on Uninstall button. This way, it will be uninstalled from your device. Similarly, there are some program data or the temporary files stored on your computer. To delete it, you have to just click on or press Windows plus R. Once that is open, you have to type in %program data %. After that, hit the OK button and it will open a list of folders. From here, you have to search for BlueStacks and delete all of the files and folders included. Moving on to the third step, you have to search for Registry Editor. So type in Registry Editor on the search bar and click on Yes. After that, you have to search for the BlueStacks system and then delete both of it. And just by doing this, you have completely uninstalled BlueStacks on your PC. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.